We received a package that we've been waiting for a little while. I don't know if you guys are getting over the footage or the quality, the clarity, the sound, the way that we are, because we're not very happy with the way that the videos have been turning out. So we invested a bit of money and bought a new GoPro. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing video with you guys and let's see what we actually got. We wanted to sort of ramp it up a little bit for the YouTube stuff that we're doing, the travel side of things. So here we go, let's have a look. Alright, so we opted for a little memory card. That was, they just had a sale on these at the time that we bought the GoPro, so I chucked that in as well. Neat little package, very cool. So I'm actually really excited. We've been looking into new cameras for a while. We were not too sure on what to get, so we opted to get the Creator Edition. Comes with the handle, the case, microphone and a little light on top. So it should be a lot better. Alright, how do we get into this thing? Trying to be a bit delicate here. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. That's a nice feeling. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. It comes with a wicked little carry case. Whew. Ta-da! Oh yes. Must be updated before we use it. That's all good. Oh my god, this looks so fancy. Let's have a look at the GoPro straight up. Don't mind me. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's a bit different to the other one. You just slide that down, opens up, battery goes in there, memory card. It's a bit heavier than the other. Oh, that's cool. That's got a built-in standard GoPro mount type thing. That's cool. Front microphone, I'm assuming. And that's usually the rear microphone there. Wow. Definitely, yeah, that's cool. I love the blue on it. Alright, so there's that. There's the case. So this has a microphone in here. Turns it to an external mic, which obviously, if you're comparing like that to this microphone here, this is going to get a lot better quality sound. So I think, yeah, that slides down again. The camera's able to be slid in here. So you've got to be able to take this door off. I'm not too sure on how. Oh, there you go, it just pops off. That's cool. So that should just slide in this case now. And you can see this here sort of mates up with that hole in there. Oh, that's a nice fit. And then that just clicks back in there. And there you go, you got an external mic. It's got a little receiver there for your light. Let's have a look at that while I'm thinking about it. So this is LED battery operated. No, because you always need a strobe. How do you turn it off? Hold it down to turn it off. It's got 3 different brightnesses there, which is cool. Now, is this rechargeable? Yes. Normal GoPro charger goes in there, so it's rechargeable light. So your light will just slide in top there. Ooh. What else have we got? Oh yeah, battery. I won't worry about putting that in yet, or charge that up. Oh, this is so nice to get new stuff like this. Hopefully the quality's there. I'm sure it will be. So this is the... what's this, the handle. I don't know if there's any other fancy name for it, but... oh yeah, charger there. So this here actually has a battery in it to extend the life of your GoPro. It's going to sit on there. This side will plug into somewhere. I'll have to have a look. Where would that plug into? No, that's the exciting part of watching this along with me. I'll find where that goes. But yeah, it's got record, Bluetooth, battery, modes. Does this open up? Oh, there we go. Oh, I wonder what that's for. But yeah, this does turn into like a little tripod as well. I'm assuming the batteries sit in there. Wow. Let's fold these down. Get it mounted up here. So will that go? Oh, is that? Oh, that's where the charger goes into. So it's got a few there. So let's have a bit of a look at what we're dealing with here. Put that in there. Typical GoPro screw. Typical GoPro screw-ins. And then this little charger will go in there, just like that. To be able to record, change your modes from here. Oh, here we go. Little sock for the microphone, just to stop that wind noise. Wow. She's looking a bit flash, guys. That's not heavy at all. You know, you could easily walk around with this all day. Standard little charging cables. They give you 2 of them now. I'm guessing because you got the handle as well. They give us another screw. Sorry, bear with me. Another screw. GoPro screw. I'm not too sure what this one is yet, but it's some sort of thingamajiggy. Slide over something. But I'll find that out. Let you know. Couple of mounts. God, you feel these mounts? They're so much better than the like cheap Chinese ones that I bought a whole heap of pack of. But yeah, standard GoPro mount. So that's cool. Got a little curved one. Chuck that down there for now. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna have to. We'll charge this all up, update it, and just in time, because in 2 days' time. Let's pick you up there. Very happy with that, by the way. That's hopefully it's as good as what it says it is, and it feels like a much better setup than the current one we're on now.